Alright, so boom. Welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for another epic fighting championship extravaganza. What's wrong with this man's left side? Why are you only moving his right arm? Did Kingpin put a stroke victim in the ring? Outside of walking, Buddy ain't move his left side at all. I'm concerned. Oh, thank God, he's healthy. He's healthy. For a second, I thought this man escaped from the clinic. Man's built like a poverty-stricken Tony Soprano. And his opponent,
holy shit, a lady!
Heavens to Betsy, Kingpin loves seeing testosterone versus estrogen. Why would he arrange this snake-skin pigtail harlot to take on this discount stroke victim? What can she possibly do that would make me interested in this fight?
Split in the middle. Oh my.
I'm gonna come.
I'm interested.
Man versus woman, testosterone versus estrogen, titties versus, well, titties. Buddy packing a B cup out here.
It's time!
Round 1, fight.
And here we go. Shorty started out spamming the triangle button. All she throwing is kicks. We 15 seconds in, and I can't believe poverty-stricken discount Tony Soprano is not on the offensive. Had I been him, my game plan would have been simple. Put on a Patara earring, connect both of your stomachs, and squeeze her into oblivion. Man's in the ring moving like he was given the damaged controller. He pressing a button every 6 seconds.
Take that. Take that.
You're scaring the lady.
Enough!
Stop it, lady!
Shorty unleashed a 30-piece combo, and look how exhausted this man is, but it appears as if he didn't really take much damage. Buddy might have sleep apnea, because how did he get so tired so fast? Does he have any plans to go on the offensive? He's like a bottom in a gangbang. He's only there to be pounded.
Do it again.
Now go kill him.
End of round 1.
You know, at first, I thought the gentleman might have been a stroke survivor, but now, watching this man participate in what should have been a fight, perhaps he's a little bit, chromosome challenged. Even if Shorty's punches ain't doing no damage, the objective of the battle is to win. Man's in there looking like a condom in a virgin's house. He's present, but there's absolutely no usage. Look at the ref's face while Shorty was giving him more fists than she can take. Man's looked so disappointed in him.
Wouldn't let that shit happen to me, though. They gotta do something. They gotta do something.
If he don't fight back, don't give him no Hello Fresh.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute, flavor is in full bloom at HelloFresh. Enjoy taste of spring with chef-crafted recipes featuring ripe seasonal ingredients delivered right to your door. Today, I'm making firecracker meatballs because when the spring sunshine is calling my name, I don't call for takeout. I get HelloFresh instead. Their quick and easy meals make feeding my family incredibly simple without the high price tag. And their new fast and fresh options are ready in 15 minutes or less. So no more scouting the grocery store for that one ingredient to complete your recipe. HelloFresh takes away all of the hassle by delivering fresh, pre-portioned ingredients so you have exactly what you need, and it helps you cut down on food waste. That way, you can check off save money on your growing to-do list because HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% cheaper than takeout. Plus, they care about quality. That's why their seasonal ingredients are picked at peak ripeness and travel from the farm to your home in less than 7 days, so you know they're fresh. So do yourself a favor and click the link in my description. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled16 for 16 free meals plus free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com. Use code Chiseled16 for 16 free meals plus shipping. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Round 2, fight.
Hopefully round 2 is better than round 1. This man better start throwing hands. Did somebody activate the magic card stop attack? What's wrong with him? Caught him right in the teeth. Shorty gonna knock his dentures out at this rate. Who decided to put a chivalrous man in a fight against a woman? He clearly doesn't want to fight her. He must be in it just for the cardio, and evidently that ain't working either. He did it! He finally connected on a punch, but he not doubling down. He should have called his wife for interference. If you not gonna hit her, get your dumb ass out the ring, pussy. Sir Love Handles refuses to take his finger off the guard button. She connected with his tooth on 2 different occasions. It's about time to get frustrated. There you go! Hit her, Tony Soprano!
Take that.
Come here.
Fuck you, bitch!
Finally, he doing something. Go sit on her. Why would you let her stand up, stupid? Is he incapable of violence? I bet he can't even vigorously brush his teeth. Attack her, stupid!
They're staring each other down. The trainer hasn't issued an order. What's the matter, trainer?
I think Kingpin is out of touch. He needs to stop getting these dudes who are unable to fight in these rings.
What happened? System error.
Finish him.
Ain't no way. The referee saw the corner throwing the towel for surrender, and he disregarded it. Shorty wailing on him. He must have bet on the man to win, so he want to see him in pain.
And there goes the battle!
With all due respect, this was one of the worst fights I've ever seen put on an Epic Fighting Championship. They barely did any damage to each other, but for whatever reason, this dude decided he wanted to be a masochist and become a punching bag for this woman. But it all went downhill the moment he took a right hand to the middle of his forehead. Equilibrium shot. Mans tried to flee out the cage, but there was no escape. His corner threw the towel, and the referee ain't even give a fuck. To make matters worse, neither did she. The towel hit her in the face, and she just kept swinging. Hold on, wait a minute. Let's slow that down. Did they throw a towel or did they throw a motherfucking chicken? Who threw a tour chick into the octagon? Her dinner did more damage than her opponent. Drill peck was super effective. No wonder the referee was so perplexed. What the hell do you do when your opponent throws a chicken into the octagon? Here I thought Buddy was trying to be chivalrous the entire day. He took that right hand to the face and they activated his trap card. There was no loss to his equilibrium. The moment he looked back, the chicken took flight.
You triggered my trap card!
No wonder the referee let homie take rights and left to his medulla oblongata. You can't be throwing livestock into the ring. Forget a TKO. I think this fight actually ended by way of disqualification.
He's gonna rot in hell for what he did here tonight. Oh, this makes me sick. How in God's name can that human being be from this planet? How can he? Does he have no conscience? Does he have no heart? Do you have no soul? You son of a bitch! Do you realize what you just done?
That's a woman in the ring, damn it!
Your winner, by way of TKO disqualification, the snakeskin pig-tailed harlot.
No, please. No more. No more. I don't want it. I don't want it.
And look at his bitch ass, laying there, throwing a temper tantrum, looking like a bitch. Somebody pack his cheating ass up. I never want to see him in the octagon again. Bitch ass throwing chickens from the corner. Somebody get Kingpin on the line. I want that man exiled from Epic Fighting Championship. And if he shows his face again, send in the executioner.
Here comes the United States champion, Chris Benoit!
The NBA Finals is vastly approaching, and I'm feeling generous right now. So I've decided to give away another Xbox X and PS5. We've did it on 3 different occasions, 6 different winners. One of these can be yours, and you didn't even need to spend any money. All you gotta do is subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Literally click 2 buttons, and you'll be entered to win. The winners will be selected at random the day after the final game of the NBA Finals. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. That's it. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.